Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. For today's video, I have taken 2.5 meter rayon fabric and fabric width is 42 inch. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Let's start with the cutting. Firstly, I'll fold the fabric by half in length. So I have folded the fabric. Now hold one corner and join it to the opposite corner like this. I'll take this side as length. Now I'll mark the measurements. For waist, take hip round measurement, add ease or losing and divide it by 4. In my measurement, hip round is 36 inch and I'm adding 4 inch of ease. 36 plus 4 is 40 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10 inch. Now add 2 inch for seam allowance and 2 inch for crotch width to the ready waist measurement. 10 plus 4 is 14 inch. So I'll measure and mark waist at 14 inch like this. Now measure it from the top corner. This is around 15 inch. Mark the same point on the opposite side and join both sides with the curve like this. So this is a waist. Just make sure you are getting the same waist measurement. Now from the on-full side, I'll mark crotch width, that is 2 inch. For crotch length, divide hip measurement by 3 and deduct 1 inch out of it. In my measurement, hip round is 36 inch. 36 divided by 3 is 12 and 12 minus 1 is 11 inch. So crotch length is 11 inch. I'm excluding 1 inch for belt. Now again mark crotch width 2 inch and join these points. And I'll draw crotch curve. Now I'll mark the length, that is 31 inch in my measurement. Deduct 1 inch for belt and add 1 inch for seam allowance. Now measure the same length from the top corner. This is around 46 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top and mark the same point till the other end. So with this marking is complete, now I'll cut it out. So I've cut it out. Now I'll separate both legs. And this is how it will look. Now I'll cut the pocket, and for that I have taken contrast color fabric. Length is 12 inch and width is 8 inch. Now measure and mark midpoint on the length, that is 6 inch, and join it to the bottom with the slight curve like this and cut it out. So I have cut 2 pockets for each side. Now mark 2.5 inch downwards, and this will be the starting point for the pocket. Place the pocket on the pants right sides together. And make a stitch. So I made a stitch and I've overlocked it. Similarly, I'll attach other pieces of pocket. So I've attached pocket on both front and back side. Now join front and back pieces right sides together and make a side stitch. So I made a side stitch and this is how the pocket will look. From the starting point of the pocket, I'll mark 6 inch downwards, as this is enough for me to take my hand in and out of the pocket easily. You can keep it 5 inch or 7 inch, whatever feels you comfortable. And now I'll close rest of the opening, and this is how it will look after stitching. So I made a stitch on the pocket, and similarly I'll attach the other pocket. Now I'll make a stitch on the crotch. So I made a stitch on the crotch. Now I'll overlock it. Now I'll finish the bottom round, and for that double fold the seam allowance and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. So I finished the bottom round and this is how it looks. Similarly, I'll finish the other side. Now I'll attach the belt. To cut the belt, firstly I'll measure the bottom waist. This is 18.5 inch. I'll make small cuts all around the bottom waist, as it makes easy to attach circular bottom waist to the straight belt. So I've cut out the belt. Length is 1 inch more than the bottom waist and width is 3 inch. I'll be using 1 inch wide elastic, and I have taken elastic 1 inch less than the waist measurement. Now I'll attach the belt, and for that fold the belt by half in width. Place the belt on the right side of the bottom and make a stitch. I'm just sharing another method to attach belt. It's your choice. You can attach belt any way you like. I have attached both ends of belt and I made a stitch. Now I'll continue stitching belt with the bottom waist. Just leave 1.5 inch of space to insert the elastic. And now I'll insert elastic using safety pin. So I've inserted the elastic and I've joined both ends and made few stitches on the elastic to secure it. Now stretch the belt like this and stitch the opening left to insert the elastic. While making stitch, just make sure you don't make stitch on the elastic, and I'll overlock it. So I've attached the belt, and with this my pants are ready, and this is how it looks. It has an amazing flare and so comfortable to wear. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this pattern. If you try it, do share your creation with me on social media, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.